A steering lock must make the steering wheel immovable by touching the necessary obstacles of screen pillar, window, or car door. However, in some vehicles, steering lock proves too short and freely moves around and becomes ineffective. This problem rarely happens in only few vehicles, as shown in examples on screen. To avoid this problem, I suggest this solution. If I measure the length of the handle of car from the inner part of the hook, you can see that it is 26 cm in my car. It means that the distance between the steering wheel and the screen pillar of your car must be less than 26 cm. Therefore, I recommend you measure this distance beforehand and then place order on for the password car lock. In case the distance between steering wheel and pillar is more than 26 cm in your car, then do not buy a password lock. Rather, you can purchase some other car steering lock, for example, this car steering lock with keys. You can view that the handle length of this steering is more than that of password lock. The length distance of this steering lock is 33 cm. So, it might be suitable for your car. Alternatively, you can also consider this dashboard steering wheel lock, or this steering wheel to pedal car lock.